L'invité du 17-20 aujourd'hui, c'est notre blonde préférée. Elle a vendu 10 millions d'albums et elle part en tournée avec RFM en 2019. Son album ressort aujourd'hui, version de luxe. Il s'appelle Here Comes the Aliens. On reçoit Kim Wilde. Bonjour Kim.
Bonjour.
Welcome, Kim.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be here.
Yes, elle est très heureuse d'être ici. I know you speak a little bit of French now. Tu parles un petit peu français parce que I listened to you. Je t'ai écouté tout à l'heure et tu as dit invraisemblable.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite French words.
C'est un de mes mots préférés. So,
That and chou-fleur.
Chou-fleur.
I think that's a pretty word.
You're a gardener. So, tu es une jardinière. Donc,
I have some questions for the vegetables later.
Okay, we'll talk about
You
vegetables.
can say chou-fleur later.
Tu pourras dire chou-fleur un peu plus tard. So, what about this album? This is a reedition. C'est une réédition avec des lives de tous les tubes qu'on connaît, Kids in America, Cambodia, You Came, and some new songs. So, what can you tell us about that? Qu'est-ce que tu peux nous dire sur cet album?
Okay, well, the album that's coming out is the deluxe album of Here Come the Aliens.
C'est la version deluxe.
It came out at the beginning of this year. The deluxe album has got remixes of songs on the original album.
Voilà, l'album est sorti début 2017, mais là, il y a des remixes, il y a des lives, des nouveaux lives et des nouvelles chansons.
Exactly, it's got some live music from the Here Come the Aliens tour, you know, old hits like Cambodia, Kids in America.
Ouais, tous les classiques.
Oui, the classics, 3 classic hits on there, and You Came, and then 2 nouvelles chansons.
Ou bien, ok, 2 nouvelles chansons, parfait.
Kim, what do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Quand tu te réveilles le matin, comment tu fais? When you realize you are a fantasy for a lot of people. Quand tu réalises le matin, tu te lèves et tu te dis, beaucoup de gens fantasment sur moi.
Well, of course, you know, I wake up next to my husband and
Je me réveille à côté de mon mari déjà.
He's lucky for all these people. Il est chanceux. Il doit se dire, ma femme est un fantasme.
I mean,
He's not so jealous.
He always thinks I'm beautiful, whether I look terrible or not. So you know, this is what matters to me most. But
ouais, il me dit toujours que je suis belle, même quand je ne le suis pas.
There are many mornings I wake up and I really don't feel at all like an icon or beautiful or anything nice like that.
Quand je me réveille le matin, je me sens pas comme une icône, hein, je vous rassure.
But, you know, beauty is on the inside. This is what I believe.
Ok, tu vas nous chanter évidemment Kids in America, Cambodia, et puis un titre dont on va parler dans un instant. Sur cet album, Laurent Voulzy vient te rendre visite parce qu'il y a quelques années, eh bien, on avait entendu Kim Wilde sur ce titre de Laurent Voulzy.
Yeah.
Évidemment, Les Nuits sans Kim Wilde. And now, et maintenant il y a un titre sur cet album qui s'appelle Amoureux des rêves que tu vas nous chanter.
Oui.
Et sur cette chanson, on entend Laurent Voulzy.
Exactement. Isn't it fabulous?
C'est génial.
Amoureuse des rêves is also an homage to Steve Strange and Visage, Fade to Grey.
C'est un hommage aussi à Amoureux. Cette chanson s'appelle Amoureux des rêves et c'est un hommage au groupe Visage. Vous vous souvenez de Fade to Grey?
And in the original on Fade to Grey, there was a woman speaking some French.
Devenir gris.
Oui.
She said.
Yeah, so she speaks in French. So I wanted, and also of course I speak in French on Laurent's record, and so I wanted him to do this on here. After all these years, the love affair continues.
L'histoire d'amour continue puisque plusieurs années plus tard, tant d'années plus tard, il vient me rendre l'appareil. Tu veux nous chanter cette chanson sans Laurent Voulzy, without Laurent, but we're gonna sing it for us now.
Yes, we are.
Amoureux des rêves, Kim Wilde en live dans le 17-20.
You're a dream lover, baby. Be my dream lover, dream lover. I've been spending all my days watching everything you do. Oh, I gotta find a way to get my body next to you. Yeah, there's something in your eyes tells me that you feel it too. I can't sleep, I can't breathe, I can't run, can't move, and it's taking me over. You're a dream lover, whatever you gotta give me some. Be my dream lover, ready or not, you gotta give me some. Ooh, watch the rhythm of your dance, feel you hypnotize my soul. Tears are slipping through my hands. I'm trying not to lose control. There's a fire in my heart, but I know tonight won't feel so cold. I want you to want me. Need love right now, and it's taking me over. You're a dream lover, whatever you gotta give me some. Be my dream lover, ready or not, you gotta give me some. Give me some, give me some, give me some. You're a dream lover, whatever you gotta give me some. Be my dream lover, ready or not, you gotta give me some. Ooh, oh, baby, I need you. A dream lover, whatever you gotta give me some, give me some, give me some.
Kim Wilde est l'invité du 17-20 aujourd'hui, on en est ravis.
Alors Kim, did Laurent Voulzy finally took off his glasses one day, or his crop shirt? You know the shirt with the
ruffles.
beautiful white
Enlève tes
shirt.
lunettes.
Yeah, he looked like a prince, you know, and he's hardly changed. He still looks exactly the same.
Il n'a pas changé, il est resté le même.
Yeah,
Dans la vidéo...
très mignon.
Ouais, très mignon. Dans la vidéo Pop Don't Stop, dans le clip, il y a a punk Kim, a leather Kim, badass girl rap Kim. Elle est grimée, elle est déguisée dans plusieurs styles. Est-ce que c'était un jeu pour toi? Was it a game for you to dress like that?
It was. I really loved dressing up as Susie Sue from Susie and the Banshees.
Susie and the Banshees.
That was my favorite look.
C'était un groupe britannique des années 70.
Yeah, I mean, for me, it was a walk into that world of pop music that influenced me, that I still love pop music. And the song which I sang with my brother is an homage to pop music. Of course, I'm here today with my brother Ricky Wilde.
Et oui, je suis. D'ailleurs, elle est venue avec son frère et guitariste, Ricky Martin. Ricky Martin is not the same guy, no?
Non.
Ricky Wilde qui joue avec elle. Et en fait, ce clip, c'était un hommage à toutes les musiques des années 80.
But also, of course, Susie Quattro. I dressed up as Susie Quattro for the video also. She was my stablemate. She was on the same record label. She was discovered by Mickey Most, who discovered me.
Ah, ok. Suzy Quatro était une chanteuse aussi qui a été découverte par la même personne qui a découvert Kim Wilde.
After, can I do an alien interview for you? After? In few minutes, if you want?
Sure.
Yeah.
Because I saw the tattoo on the guitarist arm.
Ouais.
You know the tattoo alien?
Il y a une soucoupe volante on the Ricky arm.
Yes.
Et il a une soucoupe volante tatouée. Et comme l'album s'appelle Voici les aliens qui débarquent, on va faire une petite interview.
Oh yeah, you know, our family are really big into tattoos. I just had this one done with my daughter. We both had the same one.
Elle a le même
beautiful.
tatouage que sa fille.
Ah, génial.
Yes.
So
Very,
can I
very
do that
symbolic.
now?
Et si tu veux.
Ouais.
What?
So, you met an alien, Kim. Which song of you do you sing for him in first?
Alors, si tu rencontres un extraterrestre, tu lui fais écouter quelle chanson de Kim Wilde?
Well, I would probably sing 1969, which is the first song on the new album. It's written all about aliens and what they think of planet Earth and the human race. I think they're pretty disappointed in the human race. I think we're pretty disappointed in ourselves.
Je lui ferai écouter 1969, qui est une des chansons de l'album qui décrit justement comment les aliens nous verraient, comment ils seraient, je pense, déçus de voir cette planète aujourd'hui.
But you know, I've got this feeling that maybe they might want me to sing an old hit. it.
Ah, peut-être qu'ils voudraient m'entendre chanter un vieux
I think they've
classique.
been around a long time, the aliens. Just like me.
Ils sont là depuis
You
longtemps.
don't know, maybe not.
Ils sont là depuis longtemps comme moi. Peut-être qu'ils ont envie d'entendre une vieille chanson.
Which movie do you show to him? Quel est le film que tu leur dirais de regarder en premier? Your favorite movie?
Well, my favorite movie. Let me have a little think. Well, I love any sci-fi movies, and
j'aime bien les films de science-fiction.
The one that had the most power for me lately was The First Man. Which
The First Man.
The beautiful film about the first landing on the moon. Because I saw that when I was 8 years old. I watched man land on the moon.
J'ai vu quand j'étais petite les hommes, les vrais, mettre un pied sur la lune. Et là, il y a un film qui vient de sortir avec Ryan Gosling, je crois. The First Man.
Had a huge impact on me, and I wrote about it again in 1969. I wrote about that. But also recently, the most exciting film I saw was a Bohemian Rhapsody. Just fantastic.
Okay.
We love Freddie Mercury too.
Love Freddie Mercury. Love the Queen. Love that film. It's fabulous.
J'ai adoré Bohemian Rhapsody.
Freddie Mercury is already on the planet with them. I think.
He was an alien too. He was a genius, an alien genius. C'était un génie extraterrestre. We have a quiz for you. Alors on va te passer des titres and the quiz with songs with British or American singers who speak or sing in French.
Oui.
You got to guess who it is. Some of them are easy, okay? Nico, alors des chansons où il y a des chanteurs américains ou anglais qui chantent ou parlent en français. C'est parti.
It's Paul. That's Paul McCartney. Or is it John Lennon?
It's the Beatles.
It's the Beatles, yeah.
C'est Paul McCartney. Michel, ma belle, évidemment. Le suivant.
Robbie, Robbie, isn't it? Robbie Williams.
Robbie Williams is the French version,
Oh, I've never heard that.
Nice. Next one.
Who was that? That was
Lady Marmalade.
Oh, Lady Marmalade.
It was La Belle.
Oh yeah. La
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Is the most famous sentence.
Exactement.
Unfortunately, the only one for something for some people. In French, you speak French, thank you.
Oui, parce que pour certains, les Américains ou certains Britanniques, c'est la seule phrase en français qu'ils connaissent. La suite. N'oubliez jamais with this famous voice.
With Catherine Deneuve in the video clip.
It was Joe Cocker.
Joe Cocker.
Avec Catherine Deneuve dans le clip vidéo.
In France. It was difficult. Next one.
Oh, there's a bit of Blondie.
Mon chéri, appelle-moi. Debbie Harry. Another famous blonde, and the last one. Alors attention, be careful. There's a trick. That's a trick.
Okay, so Michael Jackson. Okay, so is that Sheryl Crow singing that?
Yes, Just Can't Stop Loving You. Je ne veux pas la fin de nous. Michael Jackson. Incroyable.
Yeah. Amazing.
Beautiful.
So, my next question is, I saw you a few years ago on stage at the Parc des Princes à Paris. Je t'ai vu sur scène. Doing the opening of Michael Jackson. Tu faisais la première partie de Michael Jackson. What do you remember of this day? Did you meet Michael Jackson?
Well, I met him very briefly during the tour. I think I did about 33 shows with him on the whole
J'ai
of the
fait
European
33 concerts
circuit.
avec lui partout dans le monde.
We did about 7 or 8 nights just in London, which was incredible.
7, 8 ou 9, rien qu'à Londres.
Yeah, I met him briefly. He was very sweet and very gentle. We never got to sit down and have a glass of wine or anything.
On n'a jamais eu l'occasion de discuter vraiment, je l'ai juste croisé. Il était très sympa.
Very tall and had a very gentle sort of atmosphere around him. He seemed very sweet.
Il était très doux et il avait l'air très très gentil, mais il n'a pas eu l'occasion de devenir.
But I was able to watch him from side of stage every night because his manager and I got on very well.
So je m'entendais bien avec son manager, donc je pouvais le voir de derrière le rideau. Je le voyais.
Frankie DeLeo, so he used to take me side of stage, so I used to get to watch Michael Jackson at his peak. So he was at the best in his, I think, probably in his whole
C'était
career.
là où il était au top. C'était, I suppose, 1987, 88.
Yeah.
Ok, voilà. C'était juste après c'était le Bad Tour.
The Bad Tour, and every time I hear those songs, it just puts tingles down my spine.
À chaque fois, j'ai des frissons quand j'entends ces chansons de cette époque de Michael Jackson.
Kim, I heard you like a lot, like me, Etienne Dao. J'ai entendu dire que tu adorais Etienne Dao. It's my lover, but it's okay for me.
She's a fan.
Because of it's you. Can I do an interview, Dao or Woolsey? Okay?
Okay.
You just have to answer little bit.
Il faut qu'elle choisisse entre Dao et Woolsey.
To go to picture, to movie, you choose going see a movie with Dao or Woolsey.
Tu vas au ciné, tu vas avec qui des deux? Lequel
Woolsey.
des deux? Avec Woolsey.
Pourquoi? Why?
I think we'd laugh a lot, and
Very friends.
We'd have fun.
Okay.
Yeah, we'd
Je
have
pense qu'on
fun.
s'amuserait bien.
Pour planter des fleurs, to plant tree and chou-fleur. Maybe with Etienne Dao or Laurent Woolsey. To plant chou-fleur. Or flowers.
Flowers.
Who is the best gardener? Qui est le meilleur jardinier?
Wow. I mean, why not Etienne? I mean, I've never really done very much with Etienne, so planting might be a really good start.
J'ai pas fait beaucoup de choses avec Étienne, mais comme je l'aime bien, pourquoi pas planter des choux?
And for an album, write an album with Dao or Woolsey.
Oui. Qui-
One album.
Qui t'écrit un album si tu peux choisir?
And that's an impossible choice.
Ouais, c'est un choix impossible.
Both.
I would like to do one with both of them.
Ouais.
Yeah.
And
Un de
la-
chaque.
Last one.
You know, because sometimes people say to me, music or gardening, and I say both. You know, you
Yes.
can have it all.
Ouais, c'est comme
You can have
la musique
all.
ou le jardinage. Je peux pas choisir, c'est mes deux passions.
Oui, mais c'est Kim Wilde. You're Kim Wilde. You can have both. Yes.
Exactement.
She have both. Elle fait les deux.
The last one, please. Pour garder tes enfants, be your babysitter. Dao or Woolsey?
You know, that's a very interesting question.
Ah.
What can I say?
C'est intéressant.
It might be Laurent, you know,
Peut-être
because he
Laurent.
has a recently. I know he has a young child.
Ah, il y a eu un enfant aussi.
And, yeah, so
Donc
I
peut-être
think he'd be in good practice.
il aura.
And play music, I guess.
Yeah, and then
Plus
and also he'd
d'expérience.
get his guitar out, and
Et en
they
plus,
would
il
love
pourra-
that.
il
Both
pourra
my children
lui-
play very good guitar.
Il pourra
Thank
lui
you.
jouer des chansons. Alors, Kids in America a été repris par plein d'artistes. Kids in America was covered by many artists. Il y a eu les Foo Fighters, il y en a eu plein. Est-ce que tu connais cette version? Écoute bien. Do you know this French band called Chaka Ponk? Do you know?
Yeah.
Ok.
Yeah.
Tu l'as entendu déjà.
Yeah. But you know, if you think that's a heavy version, then you should listen to Lawnmower Death.
Ah,
Now
ok.
that's-
Il y a une version encore plus rock qui
That's
existe.
even more punk and even heavier.
But-
And they're good friends of mine.
Ah, c'est des
Lawnmower Death.
amis à moi. Lowminder, c'est des amis à moi. Mais notre version préférée, c'est la tienne, bien sûr. Our favorite version is your version. Do you want to sing it for us?
Absolument.
C'est parti. Kids in America. Kim Wilde est sur RFM.
Looking at a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why. Friday night and everyone's moving. I can feel the heat, but it's soothing, heading down. I search for the beat in this dirty downtown. They always are going downtown. They always are growing. We're the kids in America. Whoa. We're the kids in America. Whoa. Everybody live for the music around. Bright lights and music is faster. Look, boy, don't check on your watch. Not another glance. I'm not leaving now, I need not a chance. Hot shot, give me no problems. Much later, baby, you'll be saying, never mind. You know life is cruel, life is never kind. Hearts to make a new story, kind hearts to cry any glory. We're the kids in America, whoa. We're the kids in America, whoa. Everybody live for the music around. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Come closer, honey, that's better. Got to get a brand new experience, feeling right. Oh, don't don't try to stop, baby, hold me tight. Outside a new day's dawning, outside suburbia's pulling everywhere. I don't want to go, baby. New York to East California, there's a new wave coming, I warn ya. We're the kids in America, whoa. We're the kids in America, whoa. Everybody live for the music around. Na 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 na. 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 We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in America. We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in America. We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in America. We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in America. Woo!
Wow! Le 17-20 accueille Kim Wilde aujourd'hui. It's Our Love Blonde. Et c'est notre blonde. We have a little challenge for you. Every artist has a challenge. I know you did it. Je sais que tu as fait ça il y a quelques années. Maybe you can do it. Small seconds for you. Not all the song. You can sing Belle-Île en mer from Laurent Voulzy.
Oh, you want me to sing Belle-Île en mer?
Yeah, a few words. Ah, peut-être. On va essayer. I know you did it on TV a few years ago. Let's try it. Allez, on essaye.
Belle-Île en mer. C'est là, c'est au bout du 2.
Belle-Île en mer, Marie-Galante, Saint-Vincent, loin Saint-Repos, Simour, c'est lent. Vous, c'est l'eau qui vous sépare et vous laisse à part.
Yes!
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh là là.
It's not easy. It's a real challenge.
Do you know what? That's a beautiful
C'est une
song.
très très belle chanson.
Beautiful and difficult.
It's gorgeous. I
C'est
love
une
it.
très belle
I
chanson.
love Laurent.
You can sing if you want. You have the authorization.
I'm going to sing an old KW one for you.
Don't forget, you are Kim Wilde. You can do everything you want.
Exactement.
Kim, tu es en tournée très bientôt en France avec RFM. Thank you for choosing RFM for. Alors je répète, le 7 janvier à Paris-La Cigale, le 8 à Bordeaux, le 10 à Marseille, le 13 à Lyon, le 14 à Strasbourg. Just a few words on this tour. It will be amazing. Ça va être génial de te voir sur scène pour les gens partout en France avec RFM. What can you tell us about your tour?
Okay, I've been on this tour since the beginning of the year when the album came out. Here Come the Aliens tour. There's
J'ai fait
8
cette
of us
tournée
on stage.
depuis le début 2017.
We're making a lot of noise. It's kind of noisy.
Ça fait
We're
du
doing
bruit.
Lots of great tracks from the new album, but also lots of the classic Kim Wilde songs
Ouais.
that people know.
Yeah. Alors sur l'album, il y a des nouvelles versions, des remixes, des lives et puis des nouvelles chansons.
I'm going to be dressed like a space cadet,
Yes.
so I'm going to look ready for action, ready to get on a rocket and go out into the universe.
Vous avez compris, elle est prête à envoyer du rock'n'roll.
Or
Envoyer
maybe just to stay here and save the world.
With chauffeur and vegetables.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'm going to spread love, music, and horticulture.
You are
suis-
superwoman.
Je suis prête.
That's me. I feel like I can do anything when I'm in this room talking to you guys.
Ah, je suis prête à tout quand je suis avec vous, ça nous fait plaisir. L'album se ressort aujourd'hui, s'appelle Here Comes the Aliens. Kim Wilde en tournée en 2019 avec RFM et on est très très content. Merci
Thank
beaucoup.
you
Kim.
very
Ah,
much.
je vous en prie. It was fun.
Merci.
Oui.
Well, he was tired and based. She was an Air Force wife. He used to fly weekends. It was the easy life. But then it turned around and things began to change. She didn't want it then. She didn't think it's changed. But then he got a call. He had to leave at night. He couldn't say too much, but it would be alright. He didn't need to pack. They'd meet the next night. He had a job to do, flying to Cambodia. Whoa. used to cry some nights as though he lived the dream. And as she held him close, he used to search her face as though she knew his truth. Lessons I can't put it out. Oh, 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 But then a call came through. They said he'd soon be home. She had to pack a case and they would make a rendezvous. But now the years have passed and not a single word, and all the love she knew has disappeared out in the haze. Cambodia. Don't cry now, no tears now. But now the years have passed with not a single word. But there is only one thing left, I know for sure. She'll see his face